of billiards. There's only one name that makes every fan stop and watch. Efren Bata Reyes, also known as the Magician. His creativity, precision, and calm under pressure have earned him legendary status, not just in the Philippines, but across the entire world. From impossible bank shots to mind-blowing escapes, today we're counting down the 7 best shots of Efren Reyes. Efren Reyes versus Tony Ramos. In a match between Efren Reyes and Tony Ramos, Efren makes a perfect swing. The cue ball rolls smoothly into position, but watch closely. As Efren takes his stance, you won't believe how perfectly he pockets this one. You would know that.
Siyempre, hindi na puro hirap. Ulamin natin ang sarap. O ano, natakam ka na ba? Tara na, sa Lipa, Batangas. Sa bahagi ito ng Lipa sa Batangas, kalabaw pa rin ang kasangga ng maraming magsasaka sa paghahanda ng lupa bago ito taniman ng palay.
So ngayon, i-prepare ngayon natin itong mga palayan dito para mapagtaniman na siya ng palay. Itong palayan na ito, naarami na ito ng mga magsasaka. Hindi nila yung matataniman sa pag-iba-iba siya. So kailangan natin siyang patawin. Magpapaalam